celebrity chef Mark
The
Kalick.
one, the only, Chef Mark.
Our buddy, Chef Mark Kalick.
We have celebrity chef Mark Kalick.
Oh, hi everyone. Chef Mark here with Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom, answering all your Dial Chef questions. So I got a great question from a viewer, which is, should I use the Rapid Cool, the Power Cool on my refrigerator feature? So what that means is if you load your refrigerator full of a ton of groceries, you have the door open for a while, and you're worried that the refrigerator might have lost a lot of its temperature. Many refrigerators have a feature, Power Cool, Rapid Cool, Cool Plus. Different manufacturers have different names for that. You hit that button, it's gonna turbocharge the compressor to bring the temperature down. That feature works great, I definitely recommend that. But be careful about putting hot cooked food in your refrigerator. So if I cook some potatoes and they're steaming hot and I want to get them down to temperature, if I put them in my refrigerator, it's going to make that compressor work a lot harder than it needs to. It's going to add a lot of moisture to the refrigerator. I'm just putting undue strain on the system. So if you have hot food that you're trying to cool down, the best way to do that is to run a fan over it. It's cool outside right now because it happens to be fall and winter. A lot of times I'll just set my food on the patio just for a few minutes, let that heat dissipate before I put hot food in the refrigerator. I really appreciate the Dial Chef question. If you have any questions about food or appliances, just email me at dialchefmark@gmail.com and I'll respond with a video. Thanks for tuning in and make sure to subscribe.